What is cardinality? Here, we're looking at the indexes on the persons table. See the table persons. So we have several indexes here, over here. Okay, so what is cardinality? Okay, here we have a bunch of zeros because there's nothing in the table yet. Cardinality basically is a count of how many unique values are in the table for the column on which the index is made. So the table may have 100 rows, but for, let's say, okay, let's pick one here. Okay, this wouldn't really work for any of these, but let's say that people could have the same phone number. So the cardinality would be how many unique phone numbers there are. So the cardinality is the number of unique values. If the number of unique values is very close to the number of rows, then this index is a very efficient index. If the cardinality is very low, like let's say if the table has 100 rows, but the cardinality is, let's say, 3, then that index is really not going to be very helpful. It's going to take a long time to search that table using that column that has that index on it. And in that case, you may want to reconsider whether you really want to have an index on that column. Because actually, when you do have an index, it does take up some processing time to maintain that index. So if the index is really not causing the searches to be much more efficient than without the index, then you're better off not having that index.